Okay guys, so today we have a chair that came back, and this is what it actually looks like. You know, pretty messed up, pretty beat up. So what I'm gonna do is, like, before cleaning it, washing it, I want to remove as much of these things as possible. Honestly, I don't know what this is, but of course they left like decoration and stuff on there. It's really looking kind of rough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. I've been using this for a while. It's you can get like the magic eraser, like the brand name, but you don't need the brand name because it works the same way. It's a multiple eraser. So this is what it actually looks like, okay? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna like just pretty much wipe down everything that's on here to remove as much dirt as possible. Like, look at this, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and clean it up and have it be ready for the next rental. So what you do is these have like ridges on one side and then no ridges on this side, okay? So you take this side here, but if you even if you use the other side, like, don't worry, but you can use the side you want. And as you do this, what will happen is this disintegrates, look, okay? So we'll just start in one corner, okay? And then we're gonna just wipe it down. So I want to say to you guys, excuse my nails. I typically have acrylics on, but they've been messing up my hands so bad I had to take them off. And then the arms, this is based on my experience. When people have insurance, a lot of times that's when they really truly will not take care of your property, okay? So what I tell people is, I say, if something happens to this chair, this is the retail price of this chair. I have your credit card on file, and I will charge your card. Okay, we're gonna remove as much of this as possible. Okay guys, I'm making this video because right now, especially during the summer, if you've been renting chairs, you know a lot of the chairs clients are using them outdoors, and so they're more prone to collecting dust and debris and whatnot. So this is like one glove that I've just removed from my hand from cleaning just with one glove on my hand for this particular chair. So clients have gotten to me and said, well, Marie, we rented a chair from you and then the chair was super dirty or whatever. So this is the second glove, my second go around of cleaning the areas of that particular chair. And then this is what the lint remover has picked up from that chair, right? So now what I've actually done is I've taken the gloves that I just had on. So this was the first pair that I put on to clean the cracks of the chair, like these areas here of the chair. And this is the second glove, what it looks like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate to you guys exactly what I do, like when I put gloves on. And I actually don't change, I'll change my gloves, then I'll change the glove all the way till the glove is clean. So I go in like this. Now feel any dirt. As you can see, I just pull this. Pull in more dirt. Okay, do you guys see this? Like, and I've already done this like twice already, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so do you guys see how much like dirt I just pulled out, right? And so then what I do is I just take my roller and I just pick up whatever dirt I put. Okay, so I just literally just use the lint roller to remove all the debris that I just took out, all these crevices, right? And then when you look at it, like, this is what you're looking at. Okay, so just so like we can have a recap, this is everything that we remove with the lint roller. And these are the gloves that clean the areas. Then when you're done, take like isopropyl rubbing alcohol, okay, and put it in cotton, and then wipe down as much as you possibly can. Again, use gloves. I was running around today and I ran out of gloves, but use gloves, okay? So now this is our chair after I've used the eraser and then the alcohol on it. It looks better. It needs to be now vacuumed completely, like all the cracks and holes, and cleaned out, washed, and then get it ready for the next rental.